In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable Lookup and Rollup fields. By the end, you'll know how to connect tables so they share information, pull in details from related records, and calculate totals automatically, all without complicated formulas. We'll start by linking your tables. Open the table where you want the information to appear, then add a new field by clicking the plus button. Choose Link to another record. Pick the table you want to connect to. Think of a projects table linking to a tasks table. This relationship lets each project reference its related tasks. If one project has multiple tasks, make sure multiple records are allowed in the link. Once the link is set, your tables can talk to each other. Next, create a lookup field. Again, click the plus button to add a new field and choose Lookup. When prompted, select the linked record field you just created. This might be something like Linked Tasks. Then choose the specific field from the linked table that you want to display, such as Task Status, Due Date, or Assigned Person. The lookup field will show that information right inside your current table, and it updates automatically when the source data changes. You can make multiple lookup fields if you want to bring in several details. Now, let's add a Rollup field to summarize numbers across those linked records. Click the plus button again, and select Rollup. Choose the same linked record field you used for the lookup, so Airtable knows where to gather the data. Then pick the numeric field you want to calculate. Common choices are hours, cost, or quantity. It's important that the source field is stored as a number, currency, or duration, so the math works correctly. Add a rollup formula to tell Airtable how to combine the values. A simple and powerful example is sum values, which totals all the linked numbers. You'll see a preview so you can confirm the result looks right. If you need different behavior, like minimum, maximum, or average, you can swap in the appropriate function, but sum values is perfect for quick totals. Finally, click Create Field. Airtable will populate your new fields. Lookups will display the selected details from linked records, and rollups will show the live summary. If something looks off, double-check that your links exist and that the summarized field is truly numeric. You can also format the rollup as currency or duration to match your data. That's it. You've connected your tables, pulled in key information with lookups, and built automatic totals with rollups. Thanks for watching.